Hey, it's Mike here with AutoAnything.com. We're at the Power Stop booth. We're here with Kris to talk about some of the new products for 2019.
Awesome, thanks. So for 2019, one of the first things we're doing is new custom powder-coated colors for our brake caliper program. There'll be a little bit of an upcharge, a little bit of lead time, and the catalog of colors is great.
Yeah.
As you can see here, you know, we came out with 12 or so colors for the show, but the options are endless with some really exciting metal flakes coming later in 2019.
Very cool.
Yeah, real deep colors.
Yeah, there's a lot of bright, vibrant colors, stuff that stands out. Everything looks really good.
Thank you. Yeah, and we tried to focus on the motorsports colors, tried to match them as well as possible. The Jeep guys will like the gecko color.
Yeah.
We got some Mopar colors in here. Our line, Volkswagen stuff.
Okay.
BMW, our classic red. The orange has gone over very, very well.
Yeah. It almost looks gold.
It does. Yeah, and like I said, that's got some metal flake to it, but the stuff that comes later in 2019 will have some metal flake to it.
Very
Real
cool.
metal flake, yeah.
And then you also had mentioned to me earlier about some big brake kits that are coming up.
Yeah, so Jeep is a big one for us. We love Jeeps. We've been playing in the JK market for a while in the OE replacement size space. For 2019, we have a JK Big Brake Kit that upgrades it to almost a 14-inch front and rear rotor. I run it on my personal JK with 40s on it, and I have no problem stopping.
40s.
Actually, I outstop most factory stock JKUs.
Right on.
And then, of course, with the new JL platform that's out, Jeep went ahead and made the Rubicon brakes better than the Sport and the Sahara. So we came out with a kit that will upgrade you from the Sport Sahara size right to the JK brakes with our standard Z36 kit. Carbon fiber ceramic pads, drilled slotted and zinc coated rotors, red powder coated calipers, and we have a new brake hose program.
Very cool.
Stainless brake hoses with a nice red color to it to match the rest of the Power Stop red.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. So thank you so much for your time, Kris.
No problem.
And for everybody that's watching, keep your eyes peeled for 2019. Lots of new cool stuff here from Power Stop, new colors, and for the Jeep guys, big brakes. That's going to help you stop.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good one.